We have given during our internship, we defined one project called as the automatic irrigation system with the help of Mitsubishi Electric PLC FX3G model. Firstly, we designed the whole electronics chassis. This is the our whole electronic chassis, and this is the MCB to on the chassis. This MCB and single phase supply of the LNE supply is given with the help of single phase with the help of this wire from the plug which is situated over there. This plug single phase supply LNE will come to this chassis, and from this LNE it is provided to the various components like this PLC requires LNE. After that, this SMPS converts the 230 volt into the 24 volt, this SMPS. After that, this MCB is to break the PLC from the whole circuitry. That is why this LNE supply, that is to break the LNE supply from the PLC. So this LNE is given also over there, and this SMPS is needed basically to run the relay. Relay will run on the 24 volt DC. That's why this SMPS will convert 230 volt AC into the 24 volt DC, and the 24 volt DC is given to the relay. This relays pole, and also to energize the relay coil. This is positive, negative, and this PLC will give the output as the 0 volt. No, to energize this relay coil, this PLC is a sync type. 24 volt is given to the common, so these common terminals are looping, gray looping are 24 volt looping. That looping is given to the output terminal, and the output of the PLC is given to the output of the PLC is 24 volt DC, and 24 volt DC is given to the relay coil to energize. This is the relay panel, relay board 1, relay board 2, and here wherever in our whole chassis supply needed like 0 volt, 24 volt is given by bringing all the connection to these terminals, and from these terminals they are provided to the whole chassis wherever they are needed, and these are the input of the PLC, and these are the output of the PLC. And here this is the our cable which interface our HMI. This is Mitsubishi HMI. With the help of this cable, we can interface HMI and PLC physically. And also there is another cable. Now we have connected this cable from the laptop to the HMI. This cable is also connected. Here is this cable. This also can also be connected in this port. And to interface our laptop and to burn the code in the GX developer from laptop to the PLC. Now we have used two software, GX developer and GT Designer 3. Now Teju will open the software. This is GX developer. In this basically I will show the basic how to write the project, go to the project, then after that new project. In that select the PLC series, FX CPU and PLC type model. This is in our project we are using FX3G, so we will select the FX3G model. Program type we are using the ladder program. So we have selected the ladder. Okay, now this interface will come. After that here are the various symbols given. We can take any of the symbols and write our run whatever required, and we will open the project which is already written.